wreath using all Dollar Tree items, and this is going to take you less than 30 minutes. So this is what you'll need. Of course, you know you need your glue gun. You're going to need a piece of string, your wreath, which you get at the dollar store. It's $1. Some ribbon of your choice. Some ornaments, once again, of your choice. I chose the little birds. And the snowflakes. These come in packs of 10. And some little bulbs for your decoration. So, let's get started. We're going to take our string and wrap it around the wreath before we put our ribbon. We'll tie it. You know, this is so you can hang it up like that. And we're going to take our ribbon, take it off the roll. It's much quicker. So you're going to take out your ribbon and you're going to wrap it on this wreath. Let me see this wreath because I have black covering on the table. But take it, start it here. Gonna start one right there by the string, and you're gonna take and put a little glue across here, just so you can tape it down and it'll have an anchor. Okay, like that. And then you're going to take and you're gonna wrap. You're gonna wrap the wreath. Wrap it, pull it a little tight. We're going to make sure it is wrapped all the way around. Okay, this is a pretty wreath. I chose the one with the, you know, the red, the white, and the green, of course, which are normal Christmas colors, which they call it. Okay, but you can get whichever ribbon that you choose, you know, whatever color you're doing for Christmas, you can get those ribbons as well. So like I said, you're going to wrap it all the way around. Let's see if this one roll will do it. We might need to use 2 rolls, but it's something quick, like I said. All Dollar Tree items. There's a lot of things at the Dollar Tree. You know, you can get and let your imagination run wild, and you can make just about anything. Okay, look at that. Almost. Almost. So we've gotten to the end of that. You're going to take and put a little glue right there so it can be taped with the other part of the wreath. So I see we're going to have to open the other one to add on to the rest. So I don't know, I'm just going to eyeball it and pull just about that much out. So it's all wrapped up, and we're going to start with the snowflakes. So I have 5 of these shiny, I don't know if you can see that. These, yeah, these are the glittery, these are just the solid. So we're going to start with the glitter. Going to use 10. Just put a little round circle there. There. We're going to more or less layer them one on top of the other. Glitter, solid. Glitter, solid. Okay? It's a glitter. Solid. kind of go around on the wreath in that circle. Two more left. Up and yeah. So you finish that. Okay. And we're going to take and put our little doves on there. I'm going to put them right here at the top. So you're going to take the little clip part off, unless you just choose to, let's see, use it. Let me see. No, we might use a little clip part because it'll be better so it can sit up on there. Put the glue on there, on the clip part. I'm going to stick that right there. And be careful because, of course, well, my glue stick is always set on a high temp, so you won't burn your fingers. That's the red one, and the red and the white. Let me turn this one around so they can be facing one another, like that. Stick that on that. I mean, it's holiday time, everyone. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you making? Look at that. What are you making this holiday? I have my little bugs. I'm going to pour some of those out. So I'm going to stick them, take the little thing out so I can stick them on there where you won't see the little hook you put it in. I'm going to stick some right in between here to more or less hide the little clamps. Like I said, you can make this wreath in under 30 minutes. Have a great little decoration for your door or for your office wall, or just to bring to a party. You know, y'all do the decorations. Like I said in the previous video, you have office parties. You can be the one to do the decoration. Be like, oh, okay, let me decorate the party. But this is so quick and fast. I mean, you're just gonna love it. We're almost finished. Almost finished. Yep, let this dry some. Use as many as you want. And look at that. You have a completed wreath. Okay? You can hang it on the door because here's your string. You can always cut it as short as you want or let it hang long. And there you have it. A DIY wreath under 30 minutes using all Dollar Tree items. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays, everyone.